Smiling like you mean every word. I've been here before, it felt so woo.